Hand rubbing a 10-byte CD is no joke. It was built with a CD-ROM drive. We just need to know that under the microscope, there are many pits inside the CD. They store data in binary order. If you want to put the information of numbers 1 and 2 at this moment, burn on disk, you just draw 3 circles on the disk with a pen and a square. He represents the binary 0001 of the number 1. Then apply 2 circles to the second row, a square and a circle. He represents the binary 0010 of the number 2. Information on numbers 1 and 2 above were written to the disk by hand. The computer is officially based on these potholes. To display images prohibited. The black circle of the picture can be easily recognized by infrared, and not easily disturbed. They each have 4 infrared diodes, composed of infrared receiver. It can identify 16 different states of information, then processed by 2 Arduino. These infrared signals, and then a CD drive with 7 displays. This is a hand-rubbed black and white disk. It stores 10 Arabic numerals from 0 to 9 on the surface. A total of 10 bytes capacity. When the power is turned on, you can see that the screen is displayed as 0. At the same time, all the infrared is also shining on the black background, because the 2 Arduino code has been preset. Treat the all-black signal as 0 and output it to a 7-segment monitor. When you turn the disk, infrared recognizes different combinations of black and white signals. The code outputs the corresponding information according to the feedback. 7-segment display. CD officially flattens with tiny physical dimples. Compose a line bit sequence by drive. Laser head emission and reflection physics pit. Read information.